Hey, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making some mac and cheese. So here are the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need some pasta. I'm using elbow macaroni. You're going to need some butter, some flour, some milk, and some cheese. I'm using a mix of cheddar and Gruyere. First, we're going to make a roux. So melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter is melted, add 2 tablespoons of flour and whisk until it forms a smooth paste. Cook for about a minute, stirring constantly. This will help to get rid of the raw flour taste. Now, slowly whisk in 2 cups of milk until the sauce is smooth. Bring the sauce to a simmer and then reduce the heat to low. Simmer for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until the sauce has thickened slightly. Remove the sauce from the heat and stir in 1 cup of shredded cheese until it's melted and smooth. Add the cooked pasta to the cheese sauce and stir to combine. And there you have it, homemade mac and cheese. Serve immediately and enjoy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes.